So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find open houses here on Redfin. So once you're on Redfin, the simplest way would be to type in your location, go to the top here to where it says buy, where it says Chicago searches. In this case for Chicago, go to where it says open houses right here. Now if you want to do it another way, you can go ahead and type in your place. So for example, if you wanted to go to New York, I'll just use New York City as an example. I will then press on search. Then if you want to refine it even further, under home type right here, you can type in whatever home. So if you're looking for houses that are open, whatever, but go to filters right here, then just scroll down, all the way down, all the way down. You'll keep going until you go open house and tour. Make sure that open house is selected. You can go anytime or whatever, this weekend, whatever it may be. Go ahead and press on search to refine it, and then you can go ahead and view houses that are open as well as the time and the place. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find open houses on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.